Oh, here they come.
Well, where you going? Come back here. Come on. Come here. Come on. They're 2 months old.
This is the bathroom with running water and flush toilets. At the moment, the door is closed. Usually it is open. And let's see if it's open to the general public. Again, they have hand sanitizer available. I don't know if the vending machines are functional. They may have been turned off. But access to the ladies' room and to the men's room is possible. This is the Rich House, but this weekend it's not open for visitors, but it is one of the many houses that were brought to the village over the years to create an era of about the mid-1800s. Hello.
Welcome back to Old Bethpage Village.
Ah, thank you. It's good to be back finally this season. Would you be so kind? Tell me the name of this house and what it's about.
Okay, this is the Cooper House. It was built in stages. The left-hand side of the house was built in 1660. It has a lot of Dutch features. When you go inside, notice the large beams and the high ceilings on the left-hand side. Those are Dutch features. Also, the sloping pretty roof with the overhang. That's a Dutch feature as well, and of course the Dutch doors in the front. When you go in, you'll notice.
The half door. Those are half doors, right?
You're right. The ones that they're independent, the top and the bottom. The right-hand side of the house was added around 1750. It's got lower ceilings. It's a very English style type of build on that side of the house. But our restore date is 1815. It's much later than both the build dates because Peter Cooper, who founded Cooper Union, lived here for about 4 years when the house was in Hempstead on Clinton Avenue, and he's our claim to fame that Peter Cooper lived here. He was an inventor and philanthropist. He was a great entrepreneur, and he was just an all-around wonderful man that did a lot of good for a lot of people. But he felt that his largest achievement was the opening of Cooper Union.
What are some of the features in the rooms in the house?
Well, when you go inside, there's a large loom from dated 1800, 1801. It's a they wouldn't have called it a barn loom, but historians called it a barn loom because it's the kind of loom that you would set it up in a barn. It's got pegs so you can disassemble it. And you could either, if you were an itinerant weaver, you could travel with it and set up in someone's barn and weave by the yard what they required, and they would, pay you in some way, whatever you guys worked out. Or you could just set up in your house if maybe you were a farmer and you were looking for extra money in the winter months, so you might set up then. But it was something that you could just take the pegs out and collapse the whole loom. If you were a weaver by trade, you would probably have a more substantial loom than that, and it wouldn't necessarily be made with pegs. They'd be much heavier and much bigger, with bigger beams, bigger back beams on it.
Now, seeing as that the conditions this weekend, on opening weekend, are more towards limiting access to rooms, and the coronavirus means people are wearing masks and things like that. How have you found, this is only day 2, how have you found the visitors, and were they, respectful of the guidelines?
Everybody's respectful, everyone's been wonderful, everybody's doing what they need to be doing, so it's been fine. We are roped off if we're outside, so we're definitely protected, and the public is protected as well.
Oh. Well, I want to say thank you. I'm going to wander into the house now.
Yes.
And I wish you a good weekend.
You too.
And thank you for your explanations of the yarn spinning and an explanation of the house. Thank you.
You're welcome. The house on this side of the house is 1660. Wow.